Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to tell if you are blocked on Instagram. So if you have a suspicion that somebody has blocked you on Instagram, but you can't really tell, I'll show you how to tell in this video today. So first things first, go to Instagram.
Balancing athleticism and artistry.
Go to your direct messages. And then go to the person that you think has blocked you. Let's say I want to check if your mom has blocked me. So I'll go to the direct messages, and then here, one way to kind of tell is if you send a message in direct messages and it never says seen, then that's one way, because it will never say seen if you are blocked. But that is not the best way to tell because you will never know if they actually opened your message. So what you're going to want to do is go to their profile. And if their profile looks like this, even though you know there's posts on there, then they have almost 100% blocked you. Also, if it says user not found, and when you try to follow them, it doesn't work, it just unfollows you right away, then you know that you are blocked on Instagram. So that's how you tell if you are blocked on Instagram. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe. Leave any questions you have in the comment section below. I'll do my best to answer them, and I'll see you guys next time.